Hi everyone, this is Shaktivel Murugan. In this tutorial, we are going to know something about how can we use screen recording for our presentation. We are going to learn this thing through two different softwares. First one is MS Office. Suppose if you are using MS Office 2019, you have some additional features other than other versions. Now I am going to use the same thing in MS Office 2019. This facility will not be available in other versions of MS Office. This is the presentation. We are going to describe about the parts of a plan by using the screen recording now. First I am going to click on record slideshow. Then I click on record from current slide. This is the view of our slide. If you want to describe anything about this slide, you have to click on a record button first. Suppose if you want to add only your voice, then it is enough to click on a record only. If you want to add your video also in this presentation, you have to enable both audio and video here itself. Now I am going to use both my audio and video in this presentation. So I have to enable both audios and videos. For that purpose, I move to here. Here only audio button is there, then video icon. I go to click on the video icon. After click on the video camera icon, video also be enabled in our presentation. Then we should move to record button. I click on record button. When I click on record button, it takes some time to start both videos and audio. Now both of the things can be enabled. If you describe anything about this particular slide, your audio and video will be recorded in the slide itself. This is the parts of a plan. I am going to click on the label which shows parts of a plan. After I click on parts of a plan, the picture will be disappeared and other things will be appeared. Then I click on the leaf button. Picture of leaf will be enabled. If you want to describe anything leaf, you can describe here itself. After describing, you can move to the next label. Likewise, you can describe anything about the content in this slide. This presentation contains only one slide. Suppose you are having a presentation contains more than one slide. That is any number of slides you can describe in a particular presentation. After completing it, you should click on escape. Now the recording has been completed. Your video with your audio is available in presentation itself. This is the video play button. At last, this is the audio volume. You can raise to the maximum level. Now I am going to check how it is played in slideshow mode. Can be enabled. If you describe anything about this particular slide, your audio and video will be recorded in this slide itself. This is the part of the plan. I am going to click on the label which shows parts of the plan. After I click on parts of the plan, the picture will. How to keep in mind only one main thing. Your MS Office version should be MS Office 2019. In previous versions of 2019, that is MS Office 2007, 10, 13 and 16, you have no feature to add your video, but you can record your audio in slideshow mode. That's all. Thank you. Good morning to all. How can we use OBS Studio for recording our screen? For that we are going to download and use OBS. First you have to go your browser, then in Google you should type OBS project. The first one, which one is obsproject.com, is the official website for OBS. Here OBS for various OS are shown. I am using Windows, that's why I have to select Windows. The setup file will be installed now. The setup file have been downloaded. After downloading your setup file, you have to open it. Then you have to run the setup. It is an open source, so no problem. The entire software is going to finish the installation now. Now the installation has been completed. This is the desktop icon for the particular software. Then how can we use this software to record our screen? Initially we have to perform some initial setup. For that I am going to setting, which is at right corner. Our output will be in MKV format. How to check whether MP4 format is available there? It is there. You have to select it. Then you have to check audio. Here everything is default. Desktop audio 2, you can make it as default. Then after making this setup, this is the resolution for our video. You have to select the standard 4K format, 1920 and 1080. Then click on apply, then OK. Now I am going to record something by using this software. First of all, we have to select what the portion we have to record. Here in sources column, some options are there. First you have to click the plus button. It is used for adding what are the things you have to record. I move to display capture. Our main purpose in this class is to capture our display area. You may name it as any name. Now I give demo. Then click on OK. After the properties for demo, again you have to click on OK button there. What does this mean? You are going to record this portion of screen. That means the remaining black area will be emptied after your recording. Suppose you want to record the entire screen, you have to click at right corner and drag it till it occupies the entire space of black space. Now we have selected the area of the entire screen to record. Then I am going to record. How can we do it? Again you have to come the controls area. In controls area there is an option start recording. You have to click on start recording. Then you have to minimize it. What the thing you are going to record, you have to open it. Now I move to my PowerPoint area. I am going to do something and record the entire thing in video format as a tutorial. I opened a blank presentation. I open a new blank presentation. I am going to teach something and record the teaching. I want to insert some shapes. From insert, I select an oval and draw the oval. To make it as a smiley face, I change its color into an yellow one. Then I want to add eyes. For this, again I draw an oval. I keep it inside the previous oval and I am going to change its color into white. Then I change its outline into black color. Then I make a copy of the new oval I have drawn. Again I make a copy. Sorry, I delete it. I am going to insert some other shape for mouth. I take this one. Then I rotate into. Then again I resize it. I move this inside the smiley. I am going to change its color into red. Again I resize its shape. Then I take the previous yellow oval, make a copy. Then I change its color into the black. Then I resize its shape. Make a copy again. Thus we can make a smiley face from PowerPoint very easily. This is the tutorial I want to share. Again I want to go OBS Studio. Then you have to click on stop recording. The recording is stopping now. Then go to show recordings. Open the file. have to minimize it. What the thing you are going to record, you have to open it. I move to my PowerPoint area. I am going to do something and record the entire thing in video format as a tutorial. This is the tutorial I want to share. Okay, we have completed our recording. Suppose if you want to do the same thing with your video, then you have to do one more thing. If you want to add the video, if you want to give the demonstration with your video, then you have to click display capture, then give a name, demo1, then click on OK. If you want to add your video, then you have to click add. For adding video, you have to choose the video capture device. I click on it. Here is a video capture device. I name it as video. Then I click on OK. Now if your laptop is with the feature of webcam, your webcam will be opened. Then you have to click on OK. You can make a position of your video at wherever you want to place it. I want to place my video at the bottom of our recording. Then you have to resize it. Again, I want to change the position of the previous clip occupies entire space. You can make our video to go to back or front or somewhere else. I am going to recording something. This is the preliminary adjustment. Then I have to move the start recording. Then you have to minimize this. Then I go to PowerPoint. I take the same lesson. I deleted everything. Choose a shape from insert shape. I make a oval. Then I change its color to yellow one. Then I change its outline into black. These are the things we have done so far. After making your classes or tutorial anything, again you have to come to OBS Studio. Then you have to click on the stop recording. Stopping recording is the process now. You have to wait for some time. After it has been completed, our work is over now. Then go to File, Show Recordings. The second one is our final output. Here you have to check whether it is in MP4. Otherwise we have another option. Suppose it is not in MP4, then you have to go File. In File there is another option, Remix Recording. Here you have to choose where our video has been stored. You have to select the portion. Our video is stored in We can check it there. Show recordings. Our video is stored in this PC. In this PC it is stored in videos. I am going to close it. Remix recordings. Here already it is in MP4 format, so it doesn't show. Suppose it is in another format, some other MKV format, the video will be listed here. Then you have to choose it, then click on open. The video will be placed here. Then you have to click on remix. After click on remix, your MKV format video will be converted into MP4 format. After that only you can share those files. Now our video is in MP4 format, so no problem. So I am going to close this application. Then I am going to bring our video here. This is the latest version of PowerPoint MS Office 2019. It has a special feature. I show it now. Our recording video is stored in videos. This is the final video I want to share to you now. Suppose you want to share, if you are using MS Office 2019, you can trim your video. I am going to trim the portion only. It is better to edit the first clip, I think. In insert, you have to go video, then video on my PC. This is the first video we have recorded. Then make it into full screen. Then click on slideshow from beginning.